That was a little mess up. Someone called and it messed up our video. Okay, let's just read through.
First, we are going back in this house. We're going to try to get
She's gonna go see if the door will open. This used to be mine and her cousin's house. They moved out a couple years ago. It's very old. And there's someone coming. Yeah, we shouldn't be here. Ah! Haley. Come on. Get your bag. I just heard a creak. Yeah, get your bag. I heard a creak back there. Like no joke. I heard like a door open. Well, guys, if you didn't like this video, it was very dangerous. As you see, we're just what? I actually heard a creak. Guys, like and subscribe. This is very dangerous. Gotta go.